Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harshita and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be making my 2025 vision board and oh my god, I'm so excited for this because मैंने कभी भी पहले कोई भी vision board नहीं बनाया है या फिर ऐसे कोई गोल्स लिख के या सेट कर कभी मैं न्यू ईयर में गई नहीं हूँ। पहले तो स्कूल के टाइम पे होता था कि न्यू ईयर्स आया, सारे फ्रेंड्स को न्यू ईयर्स विश किया, फैमिली मेम्बर्स को न्यू ईयर विश किया, थोड़ा बाहर गए, खाया पिया, घर आए, चिल किया एंड दैट्स इट। बट एज I've just turned 18 and I'm just growing a little old. मेरा बहुत मन था to make like vision boards to understand कि कैसे होता है and all of that. And as you're growing older, certain habits like आपको adopt करनी चाहिए. It's absolutely your choice if you want to or if you don't want to. But I personally feel that you should. It's like planning, journaling, then gratitude वाला journals वगैरह जो होता है, I really find it कि it's very therapeutic. It's like very amazing. It just keeps your mental health very sane according to me. So yeah, but मैंने already थोड़े बहुत मेरे vision board के जो ये क्या बोलते हैं ना इसको आइडियाज़ कि मुझे क्या करने चाहिए लिख लिया था. आई हैव रिटन 26 थिंग्स एंड आई एम गोना बी शेयरिंग अ फ्यू विथ यू गाइज. एंड इसके बाद हम ये पूरा प्रोसेस करने वाले हैं कि वी कैन बी फाइंडिंग पिक्चर्स ऑन पिंटरेस्ट. हम उसके प्रॉपर एक जो भी है कोलाज बनाएंगे एंड प्रिंट करवाएंगे एंड वी गोना स्टिक इट लाइक in the planner का vision board वाला area. And I'm so excited for making a vision board and just having a lot of fun while making it. So yeah, next clip में आपको सब बता. So guys, this year me and my sister, we both are actually making vision boards together. So go subscribe to my sister's channel, प्राची पारक. यहीं पे वो handle pop हो रहा है and she's also making a video about how she is planning the vision board and everything. And to be very honest, मुझे प्राची ने idea दिया था कि दीदी you should first write down your priorities for the year and you should write down कि आपको क्या करना है, what are you aiming for and what do you really want in 2025 and then make a vision board about it. उसके पहले तो I remember I've had like a few pins on Pinterest and जहाँ पे मैंने बस ऐसे random चीज़ें आ रही होती हैं and you just like click it and you're like
also add random things that don't mean anything.
Yeah वो भी है and I was just adding it बिना इतना सोचे and बिना इसे read करने and then Prachi was like दीदी you should do it and she already did it. So yeah, and I was like that's such a great idea and I've written down quite a lot of things and I will just share a few with you guys. And number one being like spending a lot of time with like family and that is something that I really want to do and want to like increase like time limits and I want to increase it. I want to have a lot of fun with the family, like travel with the family and then cooking and baking. Oh my god guys, I cannot tell you, there was a phase of my life where I have cooked so much and I have been so into cooking and everything and I don't know why and how and when did this happen, but like slowly I just realized that I've not been cooking that often. Like that interest is there, that interest and that want is still there, but then I've not been cooking or baking very often. It just breaks my heart. So I was like, cooking and baking has to be there on the vision board list. It has to be there. I have to do a lot of it in 2025, at least improve my passion and my skill, and I really wanted to do it. And then another thing that I really wanted was our small business to grow. So if you guys did not know, me and my sister, we own a small business which is basically called official.art in the lane on Instagram. It's a store where we sell like art products, gifting items that are so appropriate, like a gift to yourself, a gift to your sister, your family, your friends. It is just such an amazing platform of art products. Like you can see it right here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. जहाँ पे there is the yellow glittery coaster which has a little bit of rich texture on it and it is so beautiful. Over there you have a bookmark. It's a floral themed bookmark and this beautiful Satya which is a part of our Diwali collection, but it is still available. And look at the beauty, you guys. And then this really beautiful gold stone coaster honestly, the products we serve here is absolute quality, and I'm not just saying it because I own it or like we own it, but it's actually because it's of good and great quality. So that's another goal that I really want to achieve, is like, you know, focusing on it and just growing it. Another goal is growing this channel that I have, growing the combined channel me and my sister have, which is Art in the Lane. Again, go follow Art in the Lane for all the fun BTS, for all the product makings, for all the decisions, for all the everything related to our business. So yeah, that is again a channel I really want to grow, like together with my sister. And then some other things would be like going on a solo date. I have been wanting to do it for so long, but I haven't been able to. Going on a solo date is something again on the priority. Another one is going on sister dates. Now me and my sister, we really do like sister dates every like 6 months, once in 6 months, or like once in
too much, like 6 months तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. 3 months में तो कर ही लेते हैं.
once in 3 months or 4 months we tend to do a sister date at home, just us cooking, just getting food, just watching some random
Cooking
series.
तो साथ में बहुत हो जाता है आजकल.
हाँ.
तो मतलब
आजकल-
कुछ भी
yeah.
बना देना हल्का सा ब्रेड टोस्ट करके भी तो भी यार.
You're doing good. So, but I really want to go out with her on sister dates and just have the fun of like, I have the time. And then it's again a very important thing that I want to do this year. It's very important as reading. I've never been a person that reads. I'm not a reading girly. I love watching my web shows, my movies, but reading is not something that really interests me. But I just want to start with at least like 2 or 3 books a year. I don't know how much I'd be able to do, but we're gonna start with it slow. That's it, and it's been quite long since I've been blabbering, so I should just stop and move on to the process. Also, before the new year starts, go buy our 2025 calendars. Honestly speaking, they are such aesthetic, beautiful calendars, amazing for your desks. जैसे मैंने लगा रखा है, आप भी लगाओ. इतने सुंदर है यार, just look at it, इतना प्यारा artwork है.
hang this.
Yes, you can hang this. We will be providing you with everything that you need. Like अगर आप hanging वाला ले रहे हो, there's gonna be a hole, there's gonna be a hang, and it's gonna be here. But मैं ज़्यादा इसका मैं नहीं बोलूँगी, but just go buy them. They are very affordable. Not even joking. It's very affordable, really beautiful, and the quality of the sheets. It's like expensive, nice quality that we are giving it to you. And ये जो है ना स्टैंड, ये वुडन स्टैंड भी कस्टमाइजेबल है,
ये भी है.
एंड प्लानर भी कस्टमाइजेबल है. लाइक फॉर सपोजिंगली
नहीं कैलेंडर.
तो कैलेंडर भी कस्टमाइजेबल है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपका बर्थडे जनवरी में आता है एंड योर फेवरेट कलर इज पर्पल, if you want January to be purple, we can do that for you. If you say कि your favorite month is, let's just say March. Why March? Because वहाँ पे हल्की सी
होली आ जाती है.
होली आ जाती है. So we can make a holy photo का difference for you. So
you can आपका कोई मैरिज डेट है, बर्थडे डेट है, एनिवर्सरी है, कुछ
उस
भी
हिसाब
है.
से we can customize those dates for you as well. So ये stand and ये जो calendar वो customizable है. So guys, here is my sister Prachi.
Hi guys.
इसका भी यूट्यूब चैनल है जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में. गो सब्सक्राइब, उसको फॉलो कर लो, लाइक कर दो वीडियो, सब कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें कर दो. सो बेसिकली हम दोनों संग बैठ के अपना विजुअल बोर्ड बना रहे हैं. वो बना रही है टैबलेट पे एंड मैं बना रही हूँ लैपटॉप पे. जिसको जो ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट लग रहा है वैसे बना रहे हैं. सो बेसिक guys, today is the 31st of December, the last day of 2024 and अभी बज रहे हैं रात के 10. So basically बस 2 घंटे बचे हैं for 2025 to begin and 2024 to end. Honestly ये साल तो ऐसे निकला है, ऐसे. बाय द वे हम आई थिंक हम हर साल के लिए बोलते हैं कैसे निकला है, बट दिस ईयर लिटरली वेंट बाय लाइक दिस. बट या सो बेसिकली हमारे घर पे हमारे दादा दादी आए हुए थे, लाइक कज़न दादा दादी एंड हमारी बुआ एंड हमारे कज़न सब आ रखे थे. कज़न तो हमारी परसों आई थी एंड वो आज तक नाइट स्टे करा था, उससे काफ़ी मस्ती करा हमने. एंड हम लोग का भाई, आई थिंक आपने अगर आप मेरे पुराने चैनल के वीडियोज़ देखे तो यू नो वीवन प्री. And yeah, so they all had come and were having a blast. Right now they have left. सो अब हम बनाएंगे हमारा विजन बोर्ड. सो ये है सिम्बा लाइफस्टाइल का प्लानर. ट्रूली अ वर्क ऑफ आर्ट, सच अ गुड प्लानर. एंड उसका ये जो सेक्शन है विजन बोर्ड, यहाँ पे आई एम गोना बी पेस्टिंग द पिक्चर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू माई नीड्स एंड हाउ आई वॉन्ट टू. सो the time right now is 11:30. It took me almost 1.5 hours to make my vision board, and I will just show you guys a glimpse of it. And I'm so excited for 2025. Like आधे घंटे में न्यू ईयर होने वाला है, and I cannot wait it. So this is my vision board for 2025, as you guys can see. So yeah, and I'm just way too excited for the new year, and I'm just way too excited for the year to begin. So yeah, now I'll meet you in my next one. Tab tak ke liye tata. Thank you for watching the video.
Next year is like हमारे लिए
Next year, but when this vlog will come, when this video will come, it will be the next year. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also leave a very beautiful comment down below. I'll meet you in my next one. Tab tak ke liye tata.